Well, the story begins back in 1977 when I was a Major League Baseball player for the San Diego Padres. I got hit in the mouth with the line drive off of Enos Cabell's baseball bat. And it knocked out a couple of teeth and fractured my lowers and knocked, knocked everything in my jaw loose. I broke my jaw. And from that part on, for the next 43 years, I've been paying for it, and literally paying for it, thousands of dollars. And I kept going to these doctors and dentists for implants, and I got the implants, and then I needed more, and that was more deterioration of my jawbone, and I don't know how it's going to last, and it's going to cost you $30,000 to $40,000, and I just kept getting depressed. And all I wanted to do was fix my tooth, this one right here, because it's chipped. It always chips, and then the one next to it is discoloring. So, I said, you're going to charge me $30,000 to fix that, to fix the upper partial implant, denture. And I just started looking. I started looking, and I came across on Pinterest, I came across pop-on veneers. And I looked at it, and I decided that, well, maybe this is a way to go. If I can just see if this will work for me, I'll give it a shot. I mean, it's not going to break my bank. It's not 30 or 40,000. It was $269, and I believe I can afford that. So I went ahead and took the steps. I ordered the kit, and the kit was great. It came in. It was pretty self-explanatory, and I've been to so many dentists. I knew how to do a mold, for crying out loud. And so I mixed the blue and white together until it came into one full color. And I put it into the mold, and I made 3 molds, and it was very easy to do. It wasn't hard. You just follow directions, and they're there to help you if you need help. You can call them, and they'll help you through it. So I got that done. I put the molds into the box, sealed it up with a self-return address on it. Didn't have to pay any extra. And it got to them, and they said that the molds were good, and they're starting to process my new teeth. Well, 3 weeks later, I had my teeth. And it came out great. It came out really great. I'm so satisfied with what I got. And so now you see what my bite looks like now. It's a little uneven. I got teeth missing in the back, and and it's no fun. It's no fun. But I'll show you how easy it is to put on the denture. Hold on. So all you do is here's the denture. It's an exact replica of my teeth. All you do is just put it in your mouth and snap it in. And I'll tell you what, it's amazing. Got a smile. It's blinding. No, it's actually very good. It is great. I can eat with it. It doesn't give me any problems, and I can talk with it. So it's all in all, it's great. If you go pop on veneers and save yourself some money, and get yourself a nice smile. Get your confidence back. That's the main thing. You lose confidence when your teeth are falling out or falling apart. And, this is a way to get your confidence back. And I'm very, very pleased with this. Thanks, Pop on Veneers. You're the best. I appreciate everything you did for me.